Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time settings on this device. First, we need to press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, tap on the system. Now scroll down and here you should have the time option. Tap on it and we can do a couple of things. We can change the time format. So basically, if you want to use 24-hour format, for example, tap on time format option and select the 24-hour. If you like to use 12, just tap on the time format and select 12. Okay. And to change the time on our watch, basically manually, because by default it's gonna sync with your phone if it's paired to your phone or from GPS. You can tap on time source right here, select the manual, and now we can scroll down and here we have the time option and we can set the time manually. So tap on time and now we can enter the desired time. For example, I'm gonna enter 12:30 like this and then tap the check mark. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back. And here we have it. And that's how you change the time settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.